When I first started my custom apparel side hustle, I made a lot of mistakes. I wasted money on equipment and things that I didn't even need. I had tons of inventory. I had platforms and subscriptions way before I even had a single sale. If I could go back and start again with just $200, here's what I would do differently and what you should do so that you don't waste money like I did. All right, y'all, so mistake number one, overspending on equipment. I bought this heat press. It was my first heat press. It's a Walla 15 by 15. Yes, it's fancy. The tray pulls out. All of that is great, but I didn't need it. And before my business even took off, I got this one, which is a hat press. I just thought, maybe one of my clients might want hats. And I bought this as a what if, which is not the way to go. All right, so I had to bring y'all out into the garage for my second mistake. Overspending on bulk inventory. Do you see these bins? Yes, I purchased tons of shirts in different sizes, sweatshirts in different sizes, just in case. Call me the just in case queen. But what I would say, don't do that. My third mistake was joining subscriptions and platforms way too soon. I had a Shopify, I had an Etsy, I had a Squarespace. I had so many different subscription-based platforms prior to even making one single sale. It was money out of my account before money started coming in. So if I had to start over today with just $200, here's how I would do it. First, I'll buy a small heat press. You can either get a Cricut or any affordable starter press. They sell them on Amazon for under $150. Next, I would skip the cutting machine. Yes, I have a Cricut, but if you don't already own one, don't bother. There's so many opportunities now to use ScreenPrint transfers or DTFTransfers that you don't need to build and bring everything in-house when you could outsource. Finally, when I think about inventory and think about selling my shirts, on hand, I would only have 2 sizes for each shirt or each item that I'm selling. When those sell out, all I'll do is tell my clients they're sold out right now and then wait to restock those 2. When I understand the sizes that are selling the most, the next time I restock, I will double the order that I did for it. For example, if I purchase 2 medium shirts and medium is the size that my folks are buying often, I would say, okay, great, medium is now out of stock. But when I reorder those shirts, I'm now gonna order 4 medium shirts. I'm still not gonna go to 10. I'm gonna order 4, and then when those sell out, I'll double that order again, and then I'll order 8. And that's how you increase your inventory without having all of these items on hand. Here's what you don't need right away. You don't need a huge heat press, you don't need a cutting machine, and you don't need bulk inventory. Start lean and grow gradually. And as your business starts telling you what it likes, then you reinvest in the business at the right time. So I want to show you how simple it is to do a custom design using the method that I just shared. So I got a heat press. Yes, I know this is not the Cricut, but this is the one I have on hand. I got my heat source, my heat press. I have my transfers, and I'll talk to you a little bit about that. And I got my blank t-shirt. So a little bit about the transfers. These are from TKO Sales. I often get my transfers here. They come really quickly, probably 48 hours on a business day. And because it's single color, this was 15 cents. So for this design, when I have it and I'm ready to place my order, 15 cents. So I can order 50 of these and just keep it on hand, but I don't need to order 50 of these. And that was my challenge before. So let's press it. All right, pre-pressing my t-shirt to get some of the moisture out, then going over with a lint roller. These transfers come with an instruction sheet that tells you the temperature and for how long to press each item. My temperature is set at 315 and I'm pressing for about 7 seconds. Once done, I peel and then seal. It's just that simple. The biggest lesson I've learned is that you don't have to spend tons of money to start a business like this. Keep it simple, keep it affordable, and grow smart. If I helped you, consider subscribing to the channel And if you want to get started on a project right away, check out my custom senior sweatshirt tutorial up now. Bye!